Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about how to create our use of if function in Power BI DAX. So we have here a table which is I have already uploaded it, which is Superstore table. You can find it on internet and I will put the link in the description. From that we will create our if function use. So like we have a sales here, and according to this sales we want to find out our best sales. So how we can find, like if we will say, like if our sales is more than 5,000, that is our, like 10,000, that is our excellent sales. So in this case, like 20,000, 17,000 and all these are our sales, 11,000. So if I say if our sales is more than 10,000, that's our excellent. So how we can do that? For that, what I will do, I will create a new column here. I will click over this, and whenever I will click over this, so column, and then I will go to new column, and then after clicking on new column I will go over here and just click over this, and it will give a name. I will type a name here, best sales equal to, and then I will put if, and after putting if, it will ask about what condition you like to put here. So like if have a two condition, like one is true and the other one is false. So what is our logical test here? What we want to test? We want to test our sales. I will just type sales here, order sales, and if our order sales is more than 10,000, then we will say we have to type excellent here, we have to show excellent, otherwise we will show blank. And I just close this. Now you will see, like we have a best sales here which is excellent, and it is only for only these 5 items here, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, because otherwise it's less than your 10,000. Next we will add a new column here, and after adding a new column, we have a new column here. I will just click over this. Again I will go to the column here. It is a bit slow system. Okay, and now if I want to give this sales a grade means, like if you will say if it's more than 10,000 is excellent, if it's less than 5,000, if it's greater than 5,000, then it's good, and if it's more than 1,000 is average, and otherwise is poor sales. So let's see how we can make. So I will give it a name, sales grade, and then I will put equal to, then I will put if. After putting if, I will take our sales. I will just type sales, it will show our table sales. Then in greater than, I will take 10,000. Then I will type excellent, inverted comma. Again, like we are using a nested if because we want to like count multiple condition under if. Again I will take order, and then sales. I will just type sales here so that it will automatically comes. So I will type sales, order sales. Next condition, if it's more than 5,000, then I like to type good and comma, and like I will take another one condition. If order sales is more than 2,000, then I will say average, and for others, and these are our true condition. And for false condition, like if it's more than 10,000, it will say excellent, then good, then your average, and the last one we will type directly, that is poor. So last one is poor. I will close this bracket 3 times. So here we have taken conditions. So the condition is quite here, like I will just, if you want to put down in 3 lines, we can do that also, so that it will be more clearer. If I will enter here, it is showing some problem here because we have taken order 2 times. So I just remove this, then right click Now we have a sales grade also with us. So now we have our best sales, and we have even given a grade to sales like excellent, good, average and poor sales according to whatever sales we have made. Now if you want to make some chart out of that, if you will go there and take this clustered column chart, and from this I will take sales grade in x-axis and sales in our legend in our y-axis. So we can find our chart of our with the if function. So we will find our best, excellent, then your poor is more like excellent is there. So this way we can use the if function in our Power BI DAX. Thank you very much for watching.